Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Link's in the description. Go now! Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking